Hi, my name is Gabriela Galavis and I am in group number 42. The topic we will be discussing is global warming, and I will be talking about what global warming is. Global warming is an increase in the Earth's average temperature. It occurs when carbon dioxide and other air pollutants and greenhouse gases collect in the atmosphere and absorb sunlight and solar radiation that have bounced off of the Earth's surface. Normally, this radiation would escape into space, but these pollutions, which can last for years to come in the atmosphere, trap the heat and cause the planet to get hotter. When we think of global warming, we think of the glaciers that are melting, sea levels rising, and our forests that are dying. Although Earth naturally heats and cools itself, there is a concern today that human action is what's causing far more warming than what would normally occur. We humans do not take our planet into consideration when recklessly doing the most to support our modern day lives. The Earth's rising temperature are fueling hotter heat waves, more frequent droughts and heavier rainfall, and more powerful hurricanes. The impact of global warming is being felt all across the globe. We must take action to address global warming, or these consequences will continue to intensify. This will not only affect you, but your community, your friends, and your family as well.
Hi, I'm Melanie Delgado, and I'm in Contemporary Biology 1. I am in the Tuesday, Thursday, 10 a.m. to 11:15 a.m. class. I am in group number 42, and our topic is global warming. Today, I will be talking about why we should be interested in global warming. I have a couple reasons. I have a couple notes here. My number one reason being rising seas and increased coastal flooding. So this would mostly affect historical landmarks. You could lose those. We could lose the low-lying communities would become flooded. And they would be greatly affected by this. We could also lose military bases because they could be flooded as well. The second reason is longer and more damaging wildfire seasons. So it's kind of been proven that since like the 1970s, I think to be exact, the temperatures have been getting a lot higher and the seasons have been a lot earlier, so the snow melts quicker in the spring. And then the third reason is that we have more destructive hurricanes. So hurricanes are a natural disaster that has always been around, but they have been getting stronger year after year. And then the last reason is the growing health impact. So I think the top three reasons are kind of tie in with the last one, because we would have more air pollution, we would have intense allergy seasons, insect-borne diseases, heat waves because of the global warming, dehydration, things like that. Our health could be greatly impacted by this. And these are just a couple reasons why we should be more interested in global warming.
Hi, my name is Zeman Haley's. I'm a part of Group 42, and the topic my group and I have chosen to discuss is global warming. Today, I will be speaking about the current state of knowledge of global warming. As many of us all know, us humans play a big role in the cause of global warming. There's been many reports speaking about it and where Earth stands, and to this day it's been ignored, continuously ignored, and no one wants to talk about how Earth is slowly dying day by day, and we haven't done anything about it. Human activity, especially emissions of heat-trapping greenhouse gases, play a big role. And basically, greenhouse gases are gases in the atmosphere that absorb and emit radiation, such as water vapor, carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, and methane. The way that works is the greenhouse gases, they act like a shield. So once they absorb the radiation, they prevent the radiation from going out into outer space, which causes heating on Earth's atmosphere, or in other words, global warming. There's been increases in frequency of intense rainfall, decreases in the northern hemisphere, snow Arctic, and warmer and more hotter frequent days and nights, rising sea levels, and widespread ocean acidification. There was a report in 2014 that basically summarized that us humans are the number one cause to global warming, and there's been other reports discussing the greenhouse effect and like I just explained, which are the greenhouse gases. And both reports basically summarize and make clear that there is no reasonable doubt remaining that climate change is a story about human actions and not natural cycles. So therefore, we humans can fix this problem. We need to start now, and there's still time for us to fix Earth before it gets worse, because later on in the future, there might not be an Earth if we continue this. Thank you.
My name is Bailey Johnson. I am with Group 42. We chose our topic to be global warming, and I will be talking about the controversies about it. So, since the Earth has been around for billions of years, global warming has been a constant issue. But why? No one knows what exactly causes it. Some of the controversies that stem from global warming is the topic itself. Most scientists believe that global warming, in fact, is a thing, but what is it caused by? Scientists believe that us, the people, with our new factories and technologies in modern time, is the reason for global warming, with all of the CO2 and pollution that we put into the air. But what about the Ice Age? 2.4 million years ago, during the Ice Age, it was a constant roller coaster of frequently really cold periods and really hot periods. Glaciers covered the Earth for a large portion of the time, and then the next day they were gone. But what about today? Yes, the Earth is constantly changing and with its weather patterns, but a lot of people are still split on the decision to what causes it.